Hello YouTube, welcome back to Live Tommy C. I want to show you guys my clean room tour and show you guys how I done it. I'm first going to show you guys something that has changed my life. Is this, you guys look around, there's hardly nothing on the floor. Just on the floor is my bucket of stuff from from my old group home, a duffel bag, and my Merry Christmas bag from my Daddy Joe. Now, I'll show you guys next is my computer desk. So you guys look at my computer desk. Right there is my light. Right there's my light. Right there is my computer router. And then right here is my computer monitor and my computer. Now you guys probably all know that I have a YouTube channel, and this is what my YouTube home looks like. And then after that, this is what my drawers look like. I'm sorry about they look quite a bit messy, but get this. I am continuing to work on this. So plus also, I put another blanket under there. Plus we are, plus I also want to, tell you guys some about one of my radio scanners. Now you guys probably seen videos about the Home Patrol 2. Like there is a lot of videos on there on my channel. Well, we know that right now. And then after that, you guys are probably thinking, Tommy, are you getting ready for something? And I'm like, yes, sort of. But get this, you guys. This is getting pretty epic in here. So that's my light that I got from Melanie and Chris, my aunt and uncle. And this right here is my computer desk. So what I usually do on here, do you guys see this right here? These are called radio frequencies. And what I do every day is just look at these and just try to get a glimpse of like the radio communication like around us. So you guys see me the other day listening to this, okay? This is the FDNY citywide network, okay? So you guys are watching, right? Now, I'm going to show you guys some, which is really kind of neat if you guys broadcastified and calls. This is what the call status looks like. You guys seen the police have like their little radios, okay? So this right here is like their towers, their radio system for Arlington County, Virginia, the radio system for Atlanta, Georgia, Baltimore County, Bay County, Florida. Now get this. That is not Bay County, California. That is a totally different. So looking back at this, you guys are saying like, Tommy, why don't you play one of these for us and see what it sounds like? Okay, so here's what the Champaign County radio system sounds like, okay? You guys see that it's calls on here, and these calls are generally 911 related. So when you guys call like 911 and then after that they say, what's your emergency? And then after that you guys give an example of like this. Here's like our county EMS operations. So that right there was like our ambulance service. So, and then this one is the Boone County simulcast. And I'm still trying to understand this one a little bit because it got Hendricks County, got Vigo County. What about they got one about Tippecanoe County, which is West Lafayette. And this right here is the Lafayette Police on the ISP, which that stands for Indiana State Police, which you guys see, it's Region D MA1. That means Regional Mutual Aid 1. So you guys see that this one is found in Warren County Regional Dispatch. So that's what that sounds like. Now let's say, I promised you guys I would do this for a while, and we are trying, okay? So if we click on Indiana, we click on, this is what the radio feed looks like in Indiana. So it's just a big old map with these yellow colors, mean they changed it. And this Vanderburgh County, this is the county where I made that video at, okay? For the Tropicana Casino, they got a security frequency, then they use A, B, C. Well, that is very special for that area, because they are now called valleys. So this right here is the Vanderburgh County Sheriff. This is the Vanderburgh County Law Enforcement. Evansville General Government Services, which they have a water, Mecker Zoo, Evansville Regional Airport. Now their Metro Transit system is NXD and NextRad. So you guys gotta watch for those Like right here, this NXDN. Now there's some more NXDN. Elsa Water, VEI FleetNet. Now when I let you guys go, this is what the Indiana Department of Health Evansville Hospital page looks like. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And make sure you guys hit that like button. And I will catch you guys tomorrow.